Alright, this is WWJ Whipping with Joe again, 7-foot Fenwick HMG inshore. We've got the Osprey 4000 Florida fishing products, and then we have a different contraption. This one goes over here, and I got this on the bottom here. I think we're supposed to go through it. Yeah. The main line has to go through it, so we're gonna have to unravel this guy. I did the same thing the last time too. Did the same thing, so this actually goes through the swivel. What I'm saying is basically this goes through. Okay, sure. This goes through the swivel, and then goes to this guy here. Okay, I'm going to do a uni here. Oops. Ooh. Make sure it don't slip. I don't know, that about to slip. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, this is similar to the eggled. Only thing, the eggled, you know, you gotta, whatever, it goes through, so this is more free, but it seems like it would tangle more because you get swivels all over the place. But we're gonna try this guy here. 10 pops. 10 pops. So we got the HMG. Number 1. Number 1. Woo-wee. Number 2. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 5. 5. 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6. Number 7. 7, 7, 7. Number 8. Yeah, fish on. Eight, 8, 8. Fish on, Glenn's fish on again.